Hi, I'm Gerald Pispis from Bicol University, College of Science. I'm currently a third year student taking a Bachelor of Science and Computer Science. Before joining StraStan, my academic background was rooted in theoretical programming, basic web development, and general CS coursework. I had limited real-world exposure, and especially in cloud technologies and enterprise-level project execution. So, on the creative side though, I had already built a strong foundation since I've been working in the graphic design industry for almost 2 years now, and developed a strong portfolio using the platforms like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm using Canva too. Branding has always been my strength, from layout, consistency, the tone of visuals, and overall messaging. If I were to rate my confidence level before the internship, I'd say it was 5 out of 10 in technical cloud-based skills since I knew the basics but I hadn't applied them at a scale. Creatively, I was at a solid 8 but I knew there was still a lot to learn about delivering high-quality outputs in a corporate or fast-paced virtual environment. Before stressing, before starting my internship program here in StraStan, I was excited, but also I was kind of nervous because I asked myself, would I be able to merge my creative skills and technical requirements and keep up with the AWS related tasks? So, during the internship, I faced multiple challenges, especially time management and adapting to technical tools that were new to me. Balancing creative tasks like building visual assets or branding decks and product designs while learning cloud services like Lambda or S3 was so new to me. There were times when I wasn't sure how to do simultaneously all these tasks, but thankfully, stress and mentors were incredibly supportive. My lead in creatives always guide me to my tasks, also teach me what are the tools I will be needing and what are the resources that I can use. So in the backend side, my mentor also guide me to what functions I will be using. So both the mentors helped me throughout my tasks. So I was also thankful to the overall head Sir Map since for the consistent feedback on both my designs and technical deliverables. It helped me elevate my standards for both creativity and technical side. So, after completing the internship, here's how I rate my confidence level on a scale of 1 to 10 in AWS. In AWS, I think I rate myself around 7.5, and in creative skills, I'd say I'd move from an 8 to confident 9.5. I got more exposure to creating assets that weren't just visually appealing but strategically aligned with branding goals. So, from layout systems to building assets that complement AWS documentation, UI/UX visuals, and platform work tools. So, the technical skill I enjoyed the most was definitely Lambda. Automating and deploying serverless functions gave me a new sense of how logic meets design. The most challenging part for me was tying creatives while working on technical environments. So, in the future, I see myself applying both branding and cloud deployment skills in a career that blends creativity and technology, maybe in product design, UI/UX, or even creative DevOps. This internship definitely prepared me for the real world, from client-facing expectations to fast turnarounds, remote communication, and high-level execution. I now understand the importance of brand-consistent communication even in tech-driven environments. Completing the StraStan internship program, especially the 240 hours of lab-led hands-on training, significantly increased my chance of being job-ready. It wasn't just about knowing tools, but understanding how to deliver value through both tech and design. Lastly, my understanding of serverless technologies from Lambda to SQS has deepened not just my theoretical foundation, but also how I visualize systems. I know how approach I know also how to approach branding with more technical awareness. So, overall, StraStan helped me grow in ways I didn't expect. Branding creativity with technology in a space that truly challenged me to level up. So, that's all. Thank you.